at work still going like, okay, I have to drive. I have to leave in 15 minutes. I'm like trying to just, but if we need to go for longer, I can just get my assistant and have her shut it off after I leave. I just have to leave at 5:20.
Yeah.
Okay.
No worries.
We can be quick. Let's hope.
Yeah, we can do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh man. I totally get why you had questions. So yesterday I went home after my training and I was doing it, and I actually even like screenshotted this one part because when I was doing the spreadsheet, I actually got it right and I was really surprised. I didn't think I was gonna get it right. And I was like in total shock. So I've done everything except the summary page. And that's where I am. So if you if your question is on the data, I can help you there.
Well, I wasn't sure, like on the summary parts where it wants you to like tell how much like you had sales in January and all that. So I just did the basic sum equals, and I don't know if that's right or not. Because at first I was thinking, am I supposed to use VLOOKUP? Am I supposed to use if? And then I thought, you know what? I can sort it by months. I'm just going to do equals by months, and I don't know if that's right. That's where I was stuck because I did everything else, but then that's where my issue came in. How about you guys, John?
Yeah, no, I think as long as, because I think in the video that described what we were supposed to do, it kind of showed you copying every single, like making 3 or 4 copies. And so I did the same thing. And so you just, same thing. Yeah, that's how I figured to do it. There's probably a better way. That's what I keep thinking about myself the whole time, that there's a better way to do some of this, but maybe that's coming next.
I did that too, except I have it open here on my other computer. So my question is to you guys, or maybe you can just show me what yours looks like. Do you have a table and then a graph for the summary of each of the items?
So I'll show you mine because I thought the only graphs we were supposed to have is 2 pie charts, right?
Yeah, right?
But it says sales by month with a row for each month and then a total.
Okay, so I'll show you what I have. Because I think that's just a chart.
Yeah, just a chart on the summary page, right?
Right. So here's my summary page.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Sales by month, sales by community.
Except for this is wrong. I decided. I woke up in the night and went, "This is wrong."
Oh,
I know.
good margins though.
Are you dreaming
I know
about the projects now?
No, I don't. But you know what happens is I can't stop thinking of formulas, and it's like that's wrong. Anyway,
Michelle dreams of formulas.
It's like the other night. It was like, well, if VLOOKUP, and what if I did this? And it's like craziness. I tell you what. Oh, yeah. So I think I just need to go back and do this. Should be equals. Is it this divided by the gross margin or something like that?
It's
the percentage.
It's net sales price divided by gross margin.
So equals this divided by, whoops.
Yeah, but now that's gone.
Yeah, that's not good.
What happened to that gross margin?
Okay.
There you go.
This divided by this.
Divided by that.
Enter.
There you
Whoops.
go.
No, that's not it.
Wait, that's not right.
The opposite. Maybe it's gross margin.
Yeah, it's the other way around. Yeah.
This divided by this. Enter. So that
8%,
looks a whole lot better.
Yeah.
And you have how many pie charts?
So,
2.
Oops. I don't want that there. So do you guys have 8% then for that first column?
I haven't gotten to that point.
Okay. So I have 2 pie charts here.
And
so number of homes by plan, number of homes by community. So my question for you guys was, do I need to hide this data? Because when I read on the professional standards or whatever that thing is that we're supposed to make sure we follow, it indicates that your hidden calculations.
So but isn't that part of the summary though too? I mean, I guess it could be thought of both ways.
Well, I wasn't sure. What are you guys thinking? Are you going to show that on there?
Let me look at the. But they're asking to see it, right?
Or they're asking for the pie charts.
Oh, yeah, that's a good point.
So I thought, because I didn't want to move these, I thought if I just hid the cells.
Or do that range thing or whatever.
Right.
That probably, I think you're right by hiding them or.
I was thinking I would probably, how I'm going to do it is I'm going to do the range, because if he says, oh, the information wasn't there.
Look, it hit him.
Do the range. Undo that.
Yeah, the range.
And do that little plus or minus range thing.
Do the group thing.
Yeah, which is where review. Yeah. Is that where it is? Where's that review or the?
It must be under
range?
data. There it is.
Group them. Yes, group them.
Yeah. Yep.
But see, when I look at that, it hides it. It hides it.
Oh,
then
that's
maybe
weird.
you just move those cells into the data sheet at the very bottom.
Well, if I move them, then it takes out all the formulas. So I tried that.
Oh.
So I did a Control-C. I'll show you my data sheet when I did it before. See how here it is, but it took it all out. So I thought, well, what if I did a Command-Paste special different?
Yeah.
So then I looked at them, and it was like, well, I want the formulas, right?
Yeah.
The values. So if I say that, then it goes like that. But then if I go back in, but the formulas aren't there. See how it only has 4 up in there?
Yeah. Well, so when you go back to your...
So when I went back to Paste Special, I said, well, wait a minute. Maybe I want to do formulas in number formats, but then it gives me zeros.
The other special paste one that I've used is that link where you see the other paste options.
Oh, the link one?
Yeah, paste link, or I don't know if it's that or the fourth one over. I can't remember which one I've done, but I feel like when I've done that, it has kept.
Oh. Well, it just says equal summary, but see, it's still coming off of those cells.
Yeah, and so if you remove those cells,
so if I cut them out
the
of there,
graph
yeah,
goes.
I'm going to be lost. Yeah. Any thoughts?
Well, so then is just better to hide?
No, because if I hide it, takes away the whole thing.
Oh, that's right.
So hiding didn't work. I thought I could hide these. I could white them out.
What you could do that I've done before is you could actually save what you have now, because this isn't due until Saturday. Email him, tell him the problem, include your spreadsheet,
yeah,
and ask him. And then last time that I kind of did that, he recorded a video and sent it back to me, kind of like explaining a couple of things. You might get the answer, you might not. I'm just saying, since you have time, he'll probably answer. If you send it today, he'll probably answer you tomorrow.
Okay.
But doesn't it only delete the pie chart if you do the range? But if you hide it, doesn't it still show it? Or no? I can't remember what.
It both of them, both ways that she did it, deleted
it out. Huh. Okay.
Yeah, both of them. It took them all out of there. I got to fix my border there because that's can drive me crazy.
Yeah, that looks really good though. Sales by community. Yeah.
I was trying to make it so it looked nice. I'm not sure.
Yeah, no, it looks good.
Okay, so that makes far more sense. I knew, you know how you wake up and you go, well, that's just wrong.
That's just wrong. Yeah.
That's just wrong.
Yeah. So what about on yours, Michelle, when you go back to your, let me look at
my sales data?
Sales data? Yeah. So the one problem I was having when I was doing discounts is I was getting a value error.
Right here?
I've got.
Yeah, like I'd get a different.
I did the same exact thing as she did, except reversed.
Oh, I have a negative in my discount. I have a negative number showing.
Really?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, because I multiplied it by -1%, so it would properly subtract out the price. But you're
So
doing
I
the
did
same
VLOOKUp.
Go ahead.
So I did VLOOKUP. So equals D6 off of information, which is here.
Yeah.
And then I did the data source, which is the whole spreadsheet.
Right.
And then I did it, I said it needed to look at column 3, which is, which one? Did I mess up? 3 faults. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, because I used, and then I did times E6 plus F6.
Yep.
Yeah.
I did mine just reversed. I did the times and then I did the lookup, but it's the same exact equation.
Yeah.
I have the same values as you do.
So I'm now wondering why I have 3 though, because that's more columns.
1, 2,
What do you mean
yeah.
3? 3 what?
My number 3 here. Maybe I'm just confused at the moment. Do you have a number 3?
Yeah, the 3 the 3 is the columns that starts that it's looking for the data. So it's looking for the 3 off of the information. Here, let me show you my screen. Okay. Okay, so whenever you do the VLOOKUP, you go to here and you select these items right here, and it's asking what
that's right,
column.
the 3. Got it.
So it's
This
1,
1, 2, 3.
3.
Yeah, it's 3
I was
on that
looking at my
column.
other
Yeah.
data going, well, that doesn't
Yeah.
make sense.
Yeah.
Okay,
See,
that makes
I
sense
did
now.
that in the beginning. I plus
Oh, I see.
this
Yeah.
one plus this one, right?
Yeah.
So, and then I put parentheses times the VLOOKUP, which was that column.
Okay.
So yeah, similar.
Yep.
I just did mine a little different, so I was getting a negative number for the discount. But anyway, it works the same.
Okay. Well, that's good.
Yeah.
We're making it, guys. We're
We're
doing
making it. Has
We're
anybody
gonna
got the
get
grades?
there.
Grades back on
I've
your
got
exam?
nothing back yet.
Yeah. Okay, good.
No. How are you guys doing on the other assignments? Is everyone doing, are your mini projects coming out right?
I have an A so far. The last one I got 20 out of 20. And then the other ones was like 18.5. My worst one was 17.5. And then the last one I got, I think it was 20. And the one before was 19. So like I'll have all of them except one. I've had some deduction, but I still have an A.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So when I did, so just because this wasn't in the thing, but when I did my data for my homes, or I did a count if formula. So I don't know how you guys counted your homes.
Oh yeah,
Wait,
using the
where?
if.
Oh,
I
yeah,
did
yeah, yeah,
count
yeah.
if sales data
Yeah.
is what I decided to
That
do.
way, okay. That way you give it a 1, right?
Yep, and I gave it a
Yeah.
Yeah. Just like the last project.
I just didn't know if you guys were doing that or not, but
Mhm.
that was just one we hadn't really used. So
Yep.
Yeah, I'm gonna use that one too.
okay,
Yeah.
and I think we're all pretty good then.
720. 620.
Yeah. Sorry, guys.
I know. That's
So
okay.
good. I think we're good.
I'm
Yeah.
so appreciative of you guys working with me. I can't tell you how much I appreciate it. Honestly, thank you.
Oh,
Sure.
you're welcome. No problem.
I'm gonna run out of here. I'll send you guys the link when I get home tonight. And
Okay.
you know what?
Cool.
I'll do it right now, really quick, and then I'll run out
So
and
my
I'll see you
question,
guys Tuesday.
are we doing Tuesday at what time?
Tuesday back to 8:30 or I mean 7:30, whatever it is.
Back to whatever we had before. I'm good with that.
Yeah.
Could we do 7:30?
I can.
Yes.
Mountain
7.
time?
I always get this wrong.
Wait, 7:30 Mountain Time?
Right, instead of 7 Mountain time.
Yeah, that's
yeah.
good for me. That's good.
I have a meeting that goes until 6:30, So I'll have to do it at work. So I might be a minute or two late, but hang on, I'll be there.
So wait,
I
you're
will-
saying
no
Tuesday
worries.
is, what did you say? 6:30 Mountain, 7:30 Mountain Time, 6:30 Mountain Time.
7:30.
7:30.
7:30.
Oh yeah, that's fine.
8 is. Could you guys do 8?
I can do 8.
I can do 8 too.
Can you do 8 Mountain? Oh, score. That would help. I can get home by then.
Yeah.
Yeah, that way you're not
Okay.
rushing so much.
Yeah. 8 Mountain. I'll be here.
Yeah, 8 Mountain. Cool.
Okay. Thank you.
All right.
Thank
we'll see
you
ya.
guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Sure.
Have a good night.
Bye.
Okay, you too.
You too. Good